What's up guys, it's Jared the Tech Avenger. If any of you guys have the Bose QC25 headphones, I'm sure you'll be able to relate. They are great headphones for the price, but one major thing that separates them from the QC35s is the Bluetooth capability. I see these headphones for sale online a lot, going down to the price of about 180 Canadian, which is insanely good for that price point. I didn't want to shell out double the amount of money just to get the Bluetooth capability. So I found a satisfactory solution that doesn't break the bank and performs great. I'll fill you in right after this intro. Roll it. Alright guys, so here I have the Airmods by Bolle and Raven, and I got these guys on Amazon for about $75 Canadian. It comes in this tiny box with the Airmod user guide, just outlining the simple controls and pairing instructions. This thing apparently does work with Siri, but I would not recommend anyone using it with an Android phone. I actually tried the voice assistant feature and it was incredibly slow. When double tapping the power button, it'll call your most recent contact in your phone list. I noticed sometimes that it would lag up to about 30 seconds. So from double tapping the power button to actually calling, it took a while and it was really frustrating. However, this was not on every occasion. Sometimes I just have to turn it off and turn it back on again, and that worked. To be fair, it doesn't really say in the instructions that it'll work with Google Assistant, only with Siri. So I wouldn't really recommend using that function or relying on it heavily. One function I would really love to have on these Airmods that it doesn't actually include at the moment is auto shut off. I would love to see an auto shut off feature so that we don't have to remember to shut it off every single time we pack it up. If you're turning off the noise cancelling feature on the headphones itself, you have to also remember to turn off the Airmod as well. So that's just one extra step that you have to remember. I would use this just for the basic pause, play, switching tracks, and of course, just streaming audio. Nothing fancy. What's left in the box is the Airmod itself and the charging cable. I honestly thought this device would reduce the amount of cables I carried with me, but Bolle and Raven actually decided to put a USB-A to headphone jack cable for charging. They could have made it micro USB since I use those cables anyway, and it's pretty much the current standard. But nope, they wanted me to carry this special cable around. So get rid of this cable, but add this one. It just doesn't make sense. The Airmod is made out of plastic, not a big deal as it doesn't add too much weight to the headphones. And it looks discreet when hooked up to the QC25s. I love this design. It's much better than having a Bluetooth adapter hanging from your QC25s. Plus, not many Bluetooth adapters would work with the QC25s just because the headphone jack is recessed, so you can't just use any cable. The module includes a play button, volume up and down, and of course a power button. It covers up the existing mic on the headphones, but makes up for it with its own mic on the Airmod itself. The one thing I don't like about this is the LED indicator. It's pretty much non-existent and you can barely see it. And to top it all off, it's on the power button. So when your finger is covering it, you don't know what the status is. Pairing the device was quick and simple. I followed the 4-step procedure in the manual and got it paired within 30 seconds. I didn't notice a drop in sound quality. The noise cancelling feature isn't really affected by this, so it sounded just as good as having the wire. With Bluetooth 4.1, this thing sips battery life from the phone. The battery life on the Airmod itself, as it claims, it's about 8 hours. I did a lot of listening for the first couple days and barely found myself reaching for the charger. And when I did, it only took around an hour to get it to a full charge, or close to one. So to recap, the QC35s come in at about $400 Canadian. I've seen the QC25s on sale for about 180 Canadian, but let's take the normal price of 220. Add this mod for about $75 and you got yourself a damn good pair of Bluetooth noise cancelling headphones for just under $300. Not bad, saved about $100. It does have its minor flaws though, and it's definitely not close to the QC35s in terms of battery life, but it does the job and it won't break the bank either. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this review of the Airmod for the Bose QC25s. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that bell notification too so you won't miss any future videos. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and it helped you out. And lastly, don't forget to check out our Patreon page down in the description below. It'll help us get better content out to you guys. Like always guys, I'm Jared the Tech Avenger. Don't forget, when it comes to tech, the Tech Avengers are there. We got your back.